Good morning to all of you once again. Today we session going for the communication data network and IP address. Yesterday we discussed about different types of routers. These router use as a national level and ISP level and your campus level. In your campus, if you want internet for hostels, of faculty members and other worker in your college campus. So in this case, directly as per your home key and personally, if I want to internet, just go for the telephone connections, either mobile communication, either landline communication, simply got internet. But in the college campus, any building, if you are go for the complete building, hostels, offices, either Wi-Fi, either directly on your desktop computer internet. In this case, we required one router in the campus, and this router is the known as the customer edge router. And customer edge router is connected to the switches, and this switches is connected to the different types of individual device like computer, tablet, mobile phone, either Wi-Fi, either directly LAN cable. So this is the general basic concept and network in the current time. In the hotels, in hospital, it is a more demand because of coming time is IoT, Internet of Things, the new network communication. So in this case, in suppose if you want good opportunities any in the field of the networking and cyber security. So definitely all hotels, all hospital, big hospital, not local simple hospital and hotel, big hospital like in the Mumbai Taj Hotel, in the Ashoka Hotel, same in the Britain, in USA, Russia, uh, big company, big hotel, five-star, three-star hotel. They want each and every room internet and security also. So there you have good opportunities for the point of the job and point of the earning money. So this is a big, very good idea and big opportunity for all of you. But if you have basic idea, then it is possible. Otherwise, uh, not easy to work in the network and cyber security in the field of the network and cyber security. Okay. So already we discussed yesterday and last 2 days session. One session regarding the different of routers, and another telephone line, and just yesterday starting the what is the IP address. So again repeat here and then go ahead. This is the network. This is the main network, and this is the provider is network. This is the customer is network, and in the in the campus, this is the expansion of this complete network. Okay. Uh, Types of area network. Any have idea how many types of area network? Please give the answer through the chat. Elika, types of area network. LAN, MAN. I just write here also. Then we go ahead. Types of area networks. There are various types of area network. You can say LAN. LAN means local area network, and second is the MAN as per books. This is the this answer I given as per books, as per Google search. Okay, what is actual? I just give first all types of area network as per books, as per you study. Then we discuss what is the real network in the world. MAN is the metropolitan area network, and WAN, wide area network, and some more people maybe for exam purpose is some different thinking. In exam only one thinking is the all of you, and also when I am studying our engineering, only one purpose how to get maximum marks in the our exam, our semester exam. So you can write maximum right possibilities and good manner. Okay, but in real manner is some different. So suppose if I ask in the question in the your exam purpose, Types of, please write down various types of area network. So definitely by default, three types area network available, but many people, your mate maybe write uh, other more types of area network like CAN. What is the meaning of the CAN? This is the country area network, and next is the SAN. This is the state area network, and next one more thing, PN PAN. This is a personal, either private area network. Okay, but was really these all types of network is available in the our real world? Yes or no? Question is that if anything starting our life, we try to the each and everything in the proper manner, but after some time our change thinking will be changed, attitude will be changed. I just adjust everything as per environment. For example, when I joined our engineering college, very first day I go in the my hostel. In hostel room, each and everything I make proper arrangement of our like cloth, books, almirah, table, chair, and bed is very clean and proper management. But what happened after some time? In case of basically engineering student, after day by day, they don't bother, they don't care. Your bed sheet, your books, your cloth will be proper restored in the almirah, proper location. It will be mismanaged. So this is a just behavior of our. This is a just behavior of any types of engineer after doing day by day. Okay. So similarly, when starting the internet, so each and everything very well and proper manner, and that time decided this different types of area network we can make in case of internet. In case of new types of communication, what is internet? Internet means between communication between two computers simply. Okay. So in this case, different type network we can manage. We can make LAN, MAN, CAN, SAN, WAN, PAN. But in the reality, what is the meaning of in the practical field is available? Yes or no? Now you can consider here. What is the meaning of LAN? Now just listen very carefully. If I ask anybody ki how many distance is possible in the LAN, so have you any idea? Give the answer. How many distance, how many length possible in the LAN, local area network? Any idea? Helika? Anumati? Are you know these types of area network earlier before this class? Any idea? Yes or no? Just give the answer, then we go ahead. No. Okay, don't worry. Now just listen to very carefully. What is the meaning of the LAN? LAN. This is what is meaning of the LAN. Meaning of the LAN is very simple. Router, customer is router. This is the customer is router. One port of the customer is router is known as LAN. One port of the customer is router is known as the LAN. And this connect with the switch. If here I use media converter, and this is a basically electrical signal, it convert in the optical fiber in the current time, help of the media converter. Meaning of the media converter, electrical to optical and optical to electrical. So if I change media converter electrical to optical, and this depend on the media converter, length of the cable is possible for a long and long. So currently, one media converter, Huawei company, this is a basically Chinese company, but is available in India. This move optical fiber distance, this is optical fiber up to 100 kilometer. After 100 kilometer, again here use of the media converter, and again here electrical signal, and then use of the switch, and you from this switch either Wi-Fi, either help of the LAN cable, you connect the computer. This computer from 100 kilometer, okay, distance, keep in the mind, but move back, just reach on the same router port. So these are also part of the same LAN. What is the meaning of the LAN? Customer edge router. One port of the customer edge router is known as the LAN. Okay. Doesn't matter distance. So simply in your college campus, there is one router and this is a single port. Manage the whole campus network. This is a single port, one switch to another switch to another switch, media converter, maybe distance more. So this is simply known as LAN. In another way, if just the same customer is router, I use another port of this customer is router. I connect here another computer in the same location. In here one computer, here another. Both computers keep together, but router port is different. So these are two different LAN. This is another LAN, and this is the another LAN. And two different LAN is known as WAN, and in generalized WAN is known as internet in the today new data communication network. Very simple. Only two things is available in the types of area network in the world in the practical scenario. One is the LAN, another is the WAN. WAN, another name of the WAN is the internet. Okay. So I, you, and all of you just connected any in the nearby. This customer edge router may be available in your college campus, at your home in case of your home, in case of the mobile tower. Just this switch is connected to the mobile tower in for example in geo case, and this is a 4G. So this is you connected, so this is also moved down the same customer edge router. Okay. So simply we all are in particular area, land distance in maybe whole city. It may be whole two different city, depend on the router port. So in the simple manner, again I repeat, customer is router, one port is the one LAN, another port is the different LAN, and if both two different LAN communicate to each other, it is known as WAN, wide area network. So in the current time, as per books, every definition now in the practical due to the technology, due to the new network, completely change. Okay. So this is a very simple. Now I go for again, come back for IP address. So just I take another question and explain what is the IP address. Yeah. In this case. Now request to all of you, please give the answer also. So this is very easy to understand what is the meaning of IP address. So before go ahead, just I repeat some words. The new version of telephone number, either you can say the binary version of telephone number is known as IP address. Okay, first is that. Second, uh, before 2006, 2005, and today also the standard internet IP address, yeah, you can say binary form of telecommunication is known as IPv4. Before 2005, simply IP address. After 2005, IPv4. The new version of IP address, IPv6, this is the 128 bit, is also available in the market, and migration work is under progress. Hopefully, up to December 2025, whole world migrate on the new IP address. But till time, the standard internet IP address hold the world by the IPv4. You can say old IP address. Okay. So this is the basically already discussed yesterday. This is a 32 bits and is not easy to manage. So in this case, we just 32 bits IP address divided in the four separate group, 88 bits, group of 88 bits. Okay. So in this case, one group, one block is starting from 2 and end is a 255. So you can say IP address look like this. And our screen, some question is also here. This IP address is look like this. Okay. So suppose I just put here question 10.10.10.64/24. Just if forget. Okay. So here 24 is important because you can easy to know by the this how many bits are fixed. Any IP address is also just like telephone number. In telephone number we discuss this divided in the two part. One part is the fixed part and another part is a variable part, any customer part. So fixed part, just uh, help of the fixed part, you can know this telephone number where belong in the world. Similarly, IP address is also distributed in the world. Okay, and this is also divided in the two part. One part is the fixed part and another part is the customer part. In the data communication, name is modified as a host bit, either you a client bits, no problem. But see, in the practically all are same. Okay, so this is the if any IP address, just we find out this information: network ID, broadcast ID, IP range, number of hosts, and subnet. If you know this all point, what is the meaning of these all point, so easily you can find out IP address, and it is easily used in your any network, any types of communication system, and it is the most helpful in the cyber world. Okay. So first is the network ID, already discussed in the telephone number. The first telephone number is the known as the telephone exchange ID. In this case, the first IP address for this IP address is the first IP address is known as the network ID. So please give the answer. Yeah, if are you remember understanding the last session. So what is the network ID of the this question if /24? Are you able to give the answer these questions? Halika, Bhanumati, Aishwarya, are you able? Mary? Yeah, just I repeat again here. Then we go ahead. Complete. Give the answer, Mary, in the complete formation. Network ID. Okay, very nice. 00. That's okay. Exact type. Yeah. 10.10.10.64 yeah, very good, but no, and also you can write /24. Okay, boy, don't worry, I just repeat for all of you again. This is basically 10.10.10.64 64. Okay, and /24. What is meaning of this? Left hand side to right hand side, to the right hand side 24. This is a total 32 bits. Okay, 32 bits total, which was IP address as per planning 32 bits. So from left hand side to right hand side 24 bits. This bit is the, this is known as the fixed bit. Another name, this is the known as the, in the today scenario, network bit. Okay, help of the this bit we can find out each and everything. So in this case, this is the fixed. Very answer is very nice. 10 fixed, you can't change, like telephone number. What is the telephone number again here, right? Plus 91 120 2755 and 164. Are you remember this discussion? This telephone number is divided in the two part. One part is the fixed part and another part is the customer part. This is the fixed part. So this part we can't able to change. So similarly, in this IP address is just modification of this. So similarly, fixed part just like telephone number, you can't change. So this 24 bit, so this is the 8 bit fixed, next 8 bit fixed 16, and next 8 bit the 16, and remaining what is the starting this all triple zero. In this case, first three part is the fixed part. So remaining part, this is this part, all 8 bits are zero. So very nice answer. This is a slash 24. So if you give the answer, what is the network ID? You always write 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 0 slash 24. It is the complete answer. Okay. So in this case, what is the network ID for this question? This is the 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot. If here slash 24, I will discuss what is the 25. Okay. Now, what is the broadcast ID? This is the network ID. Now, if are you able, all are understanding my this query, so you can give the answer. What is the broadcast ID? Broadcast ID, that means the last IP address. In this case, what is the last triple line? So in this case, what is the last IP address? You can route. This is known as broadcast IP address. So what is the broadcast IP address? Please. Yes. Mary. 10 dot 10 dot. Fixed part, don't disturb. 10 dot 10 dot. 99, why 99 in the binary? This is the binary. All 8 bits are 1. If all bits are 8 bits are 1, this value are the 255. Why 99? This is a non-decimal. It is a binary, na? Basically, this is the binary. So 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 64. Okay, this is the decimal. But if this in the binary form, basically this is a 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot. And what is the binary form of this 64? 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the binary form. Okay. So if you go for the network ID, so why don't change? Because actual this is the binary. So this is the fixed part. Okay. So this is the 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot. Okay. Now doesn't matter what is value of this 8 bits. These all are convert 8 bits are 0. If give the answer, because in the human sense 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 0 slash 24. So similarly for the broadcast ID, the fixed part again here 10 dot 10 dot 10, but all doesn't matter what is the value are here. R bits are 1. All 8 bits are 1. Their value is the 6 to add 255. Okay. So in this case, your broadcast ID is the 255. 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 255. Okay. Now what is the next question is that what is the IP range? IP range, what is the meaning of IP range? So this is the from starting 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 1 to 255. Okay, this is the IP range 1 to 25. So how many computers? 254. Sorry, 254. 255 is the this is the last, and 0 is the starting. So 0 and 25 not taken. Okay. So how many number of customer is possible? 254. But you all are engineer, so you directly don't show ki 1 to 254. You just how to calculate. This is basically 2 ki power 32 bit is the total. Fixed bit is the 24. This is all value from or minus 2. Why minus 2? First and last you are not given. So this is the basically answer is the 256 minus 2. This is the 254. So this first four answer is very easy. Network ID, first IP address, broadcast ID, last IP address, IP range, and number of hosts. Then we go for the subnet mask. Now, I just help of this question, because here in this case 25 not 24. So what happened? So just I go for the in the PPT. Yes, this is the 20 this IP address. You can write, make a separate group 10.10.10.65. Okay, and are you all are well known, each group binary form of 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, and 8 bits. Okay, next is that as per our question given here in this question, the first bit is the fixed, 10 bit is the fixed, this is the fixed bit, and this is the fixed bit. Okay, so this complete group is the fixed, so you don't need to change. But in this lab 25 na, this is the 24 and one bit is here. So first be this change in the binary form, and first bigger one here I show for all you understanding, this is the fixed bit. Okay, so this is the actual, here is the binary form for the 65. So for the network ID, fixed bit don't disturb, 10 fixed, first group, second group is also fixed, third is also fixed, and in the this form the first group is the fixed, and remaining all bit doesn't matter what is here right here, you all just simply put all zero because all starting bits are zero. But when we write the answer, give the answer all 8 group, it combine and then the answer, so this is the zero. So in this case slash 25, again your network ID is the 10.10.10.0/25. But same case if we go for broadcast ID, so same fixed part, fixed part, fixed part, and one first part is the fixed, and doesn't matter what is value of here, you just all replace by the all bits are one. And if give the answer, so this you give the, because always answer of 8 group, so what is the 8, this is the 127. So this is the broadcast ID 10.10.10.127 in case of slash 25. IP range starting bit 1, 0 not given, 127 not given, 126. Okay, so this is the IP range. Number of IP you can also find out. Total bits are 32 bits, 20 bits are the 25 bits are the fixed. So 7 bit is the customer bit. 2 की power total customer possibilities 2 की power 10. First and last is not given. In this case, this value is the 128 minus 2. This is the 126. As per engineering point of view, you directly calculate in this case. Real answer you can also see here. Okay, 126. So this is the basically IP address. Just I compare here in the new scenario from the old telephone line. The last one thing is the subnet mask. What is the subnet mask? Without subnet mask, IP address information is incomplete. So now just go for the subnet mask. Very easy understand. IP address for human understanding noted by the dotted decimal like this. We 192.168.1.1/24. Because I and you are human and we understand binary and decimal number digit system, it is easy. If here write 101111, so you are all confused. Okay. So similarly, in this case, for the subnet mask, how to computer know there if you write IP address in the your smart devices like computer, like Wi-Fi devices. So how to computer know कि this IP address written in your computer, how many bits are the fixed? For example, I go for the my this computer. This is the my real computer. I just click here, computer symbol. You can also do in your computer, no problem. Network and sharing center. Change adapter option. Here right click, properties. Yes. And here this is the TCP version. Okay. I click properties. So you can see in this my computer, I just here manually IP. The first line is the IP address. So this is IP address. Computer can't understand slash. If here write slash something, can't understand. So help of the computer, ki how many bits are fixed in this IP address, just use of the mask. Masking is nothing. Mask IP address always write the first line IP address and there with subnet mask. Because I and you, how to understand IP address 10.10.10.65 slash 24 suppose. So how I and you easy to know in this IP address how many bits are the fixed. How to know? Due to the this information in the your computer, such types of information not accept, because any smart device, computer device, only two thing know: binary number. He don't know what is the decimal, he don't know what is the slash, he don't know what is the forward any character. He just only two thing understand: binary, binary zero, either one. So same for understanding. If anybody asks you why use of the subnet mask, either mask. So very simple answer. Masking is nothing. It is mask means symbol. It is just help of the this symbol. Each and every one easy to understand. How many bits are in the IP address is the fixed bit. How many bits are the customer bit? Okay. So there are 24 bit total. So how to calculate for this question? I come back on again PPT. Okay. Look, subnet ka how? This is the basically IP address. Okay. So as per given the question, all are 8 bit. It you are now well aware. Okay. So for subnet mark, we simply fix bits. Put one. This is the fixed one. All are one, and here one bit is fixed. This is one, and then remaining part become zero. And just write decimal form 255, 255, 255, and solution of this 8 group is the 128. So in this case, subnet mask is the 128. So human I and you just put in this computer 255, 255, 255 dot 128. Okay. So now my computer just it subnet mask block by default convert in the binary and count from left hand side to right hand side how many bits are one. And this bit number of counting of bits easy to understand for the computer, any smart devices. In IP address, how many bits are the fixed bit, that is network bit, how many bits are the customer bit. So very again repeat, subnet mask is nothing. This is the just one procedure, one minor. Any computer, any smart devices, their IP address is used. Easy to understand. In the IP address, how many bits are the fixed bit and customer bit. So if I asked all of you question, suppose my question is that 192.168.1 dot something 15 slash 24. Suppose so you have question, what is the network ID? First question is the network ID. Okay. So simply network ID. Okay. So in this case, 24, so left hand side to right hand side, 24 bit fixed, 192 fixed, you can't change, 168 fixed, you can't change, 1 is fixed, can't change. Remaining all bits are zero. So this value becomes zero. This is the network ID. Second question, broadcast ID. What is the broadcast ID? Fixed part 192.168.1. All remaining bits are the one. This is 8 bit are one. Value in decimal. This is 255.24. Okay. Third is IP range. You can say IP pool. Same meaning. Starting IP and last IP. So you just write here 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.254. This is IP range. Next question is very simple. Number of IP. number of IP, yeah, host. You can sometimes say host. Doesn't matter. It is don't go to the particular word. This just is generalized meaning of each and everything. Number of hosts. Here you can see 154, but how to calculate? Simply 2 की power uh, 32 uh, 32 minus 24 bit is the fixed customer bit, and minus first and last not given because complete value. This is the 254. Now in the finally subnet mask. What is the subnet mask? All 24 left hand side to right hand side, 24 bits fixed bit, and make it one. But that means 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 bits dot 1 1 1 1 1 1 bits 1 1 1 1 bit, and remaining bits are zero. Okay. So if you go for solve 255 255 255 0. Okay. So this is the basic idea of IP address. You have just require this only thing in your cyber world, network world, yeah, upcoming future communication. So these five things always keep in the mind ki how do we know this scenario. Okay. So if I just change the question for all of you and give the answer and in the today's session, 192.168.5.4/16/16. In this case, what is the network ID? What is the broadcast ID? What is the IP range? What is the number of IP? And finally, subnet mask. Okay. So please give the answer through the chat box, or any doubt, any question you can ask. Okay. I give the 2 minutes for all of you. First, we give the answer. What is the network ID? Here, I very easy. You can see and give the answer. Yeah, network ID. What is the network ID? As per here, our question 16. Okay. 192. You network ID. 192 first 8 bit fix, second bit fix, and all remaining 16 bit are 0, 0.0 plus 16. What is the broadcast ID? 192 fix, 168 16 fix, 255 255 plus 16. IP range from a starting bit 192.168.0.1, the last 192.168.255.254. This is a 255 last is one before. Number of IP 2 की power total 32 bit minus 16 is the fix and minus 2. Then this is the number of subnet mask. First 16 bit is the fix 111118 111118, and all remaining are the 0. If we give the answer 255.255.0.0, this is a subnet mask. So this is the IP address basic idea, and I share one software download on your computer, and tomorrow and onward we just go for each and everything now for practical. Any doubt, any question, you just again see this video, and also any question you can ask here. Without help of we can't go ahead again. Tomorrow tomorrow all are able to on the Sunday class will be present, yes or no? Give the answer. If you are able to, I tomorrow again take your class at 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So now any questions, please ask. Can I over the session now? Yes. Thank you.